Hey traders, what to trade next week? In this video we'll discuss EURUSD, gold, dollar CAD and Bitcoin. We will analyze the price action here, the structure, we will execute the top-down analysis together, and I will share with you my trading setups for next week. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, let's start with the dollar CAD pair. We are in a weekly time frame, and as you can see recently the price dropped nicely. Reaching that structure, the market dropped and we saw 3 consequent bearish wicks. And this is just one reason why the price dropped. If we look left at structure, here we see a very strong horizontal structure resistance. As you can see in the past, it was a very strong support. Many times in a row that structure was respected, and from that we saw very strong bullish movements. But then that structure was broken to the downside and it turned into a very strong resistance, and because of that the price dropped. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame, here the price formed a huge head and shoulders pattern. Do you see this pattern? Here we have its neckline, its horizontal neckline, and here we have its left shoulder, here we have its head, and here we got its right shoulder. And you can see that this week the price violated the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern to the downside. We closed below that and it looks like we can expect a further decline on the pair. Hey traders, if you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to see how I trade live, if you want to see how I analyze EURUSD, Bitcoin, gold live, if you want to see how I trade these instruments live, you will enjoy my premium educational group. There I do live streaming for my students. There I teach you how to analyze the chart. There I teach you price action, structure analysis, top-down analysis. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group. The link in the description below. Check that and let's continue. Even though we are very bearish on dollar CAD, we must admit that at the moment the pair is very oversold. And moreover, if we look left at structure, here I see a very peculiar zone of demand. We cannot say that it is a major structure, but still you can see that in the recent past that structure was respected many times. Moreover, I see a very peculiar harmonic pattern right here. Let me know in the comment section, traders, do you see any pattern right here? Here I see a harmonic ABCD pattern. Look, here's our bearish impulse. Then we retraced. And if we copy and paste this bearish impulse and project that from the completion point of the retracement leg, look, here we have this harmonic ABCD pattern, and moreover we have a nice confluence right here. The completion point of the pattern lying perfectly within the structure that we spotted. And moreover, look at this candlestick. We were nicely rejected from the structure. So it looks like the market is preparing for a pullback. So what is our plan? There are 3 options for you to follow on dollar CAD. The first option is you can look for the confirmation on lower time frame. For example, you can look for a double bottom formation on the 4-hour to buy dollar CAD catching a pullback all the way up to this neckline. Yes, that will be your first option. The second option is to look for the trend following opportunity. Here you should look for the test of this neckline and short the market from that neckline. And again, I strongly recommend you to look for the confirmation once the neckline is reached. By the confirmation, I mean the reversal pattern being formed on a 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. So the intraday confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, you can short the market expecting the retest of that support and then potential continuation to lower structural levels. And then there is one more option, the breakout option. You can also look for the breakout of that blue horizontal structure support to the downside. In case if we break that structure, in case if we close below that on a daily, retest of that structure may give us a very nice shorting opportunity. So you see that we have a lot of options on dollar CAD. For now, I really want to sell from a neckline of this head and shoulders, but who knows what is going to happen. Watch carefully. Now let's analyze euro dollar. We are in a 3D chart, and I want to remind you that together we spotted a very strong structure support right here. You can see that in the past multiple times in a row that structure was respected. And when the market was falling sharply, once this structure was reached, we saw a very nice bullish movement from that. Moreover, look what happened. Here the price was following this major falling trend line, and as you can see this week the price violated that trend line to the upside. We closed above that on a 3 days time frame, so it makes us very bullish biased on the pair. On the daily time frame, we see the price action on euro dollar in details, and here the price formed a classic bullish accumulation pattern. Here the price set multiple high lows, and at the same time the price was setting the equal highs right here. So you can see that the ascending triangle formation was formed, and this week the price violated not only this major falling trend line but also this horizontal structural resistance, and of course because of that we are very bullish biased. And now what I'm looking for, in my view the pair right now is a bit overbought, and I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm patiently waiting for the retest of this broken trend line to buy from there. Yes, here will be the area, the levels from where I will look for buying opportunities. I will wait for the confirmation there, and once I get my confirmation I will buy the pair, and I will expect a bullish continuation at least to this structure. To me it looks like it is the closest strong structural resistance, and in case of a bullish continuation definitely that structure will be reached. What is up with Bitcoin? Finally, the 40,000 level was reached, and in my view it is very strong psychological level. You can see that in the recent past we saw a very strong bullish rally from this structure, and moreover this bullish rally was so sharp that the price managed to set the new all-time structure high, so definitely we must pay close attention to this structure. By the way traders, if you want to know what to expect from Bitcoin this year, watch this video. There I executed the swing analysis on Bitcoin and share my thoughts and predictions. Please check this video. And look, once this 40,000 level was reached, we formed so cute doji candles right here. Look at this cute wick dodges. Yes, definitely it is the sign that bears are weak, and moreover some buyers are pushing. So definitely from that structure we should look for buying opportunities, and moreover at the moment I already spotted a very nice confirmation on intraday time frames. Let's check it. So many things on 4-hour time frame. First of all, the price here was following this trend line. Yes, this trend line was a very strong resistance, and then it was broken to the upside. Actually here the price was trading within the boundaries of this bullish flag pattern, and as we know bullish flag pattern is a very bullish pattern. Yes, and the trigger that we are looking for to buy the market is the breakout of the flag's resistance to the upside. But that is not all. Look at this minor horizontal structure resistance. You can see that here the price formed a very nice double bottom formation. Yes, and you can see that the neckline of this double bottom formation was broken to the upside as well. So here we got a double breakout, the breakout of the horizontal structure and the breakout of vertical structure, and now we see the retest of the broken flag. So what is the plan? The retest of the broken resistance of the flag gives us a very nice point to buy Bitcoin. From that point we can buy the market, yes, with our stop loss lying below the lows, below the 40,000 level. We can catch a very nice bullish rally. The first structure for us to watch will be this resistance. For now it is the closest strong resistance, and once that structure will be reached I will move my stop to entry and will make my position risk-free. Then I will pay close attention to this resistance around 48,000 level. there I will book some profits, but the rest I will keep for a trailing stop. Yes, we all are waiting for a strong bullish rally on crypto market, and many of us are looking for the opportunity to buy with a trailing stop. So here is the opportunity for us to buy. Yes, of course, pay close attention to key levels. Pay close attention to the reaction of the price to key levels. Yes, we shouldn't blindly hold our long position. Yes, we should pay close attention how the price reacts to key levels and close the trade in case if we feel that the market is reversing and bears are pushing. And now let's discuss gold. As you know, I'm very bullish on gold. Here I see that the market is trading in a bullish trend. Yes, here we have very bullish price action. The price here sets the high lows, the high highs, so it is very reasonable for us to be bullish. Moreover, recently the price reached the strong horizontal structure support, and from that we saw a very nice bullish continuation. And traders, I'm very bullish on gold. Let me show you, by the way, very peculiar thing here. Let's zoom out the chart. Here I see a very nice major falling trend line. Yes, here it goes. And in my view, for now, it is the goal for buyers. In my view, buyers will push the market higher and that trend line will be reached soon. By the way, traders, if you want to know what to expect from gold this year, I recorded a very big video with swing analysis on gold. Watch that, it will be very interesting. Analyzing a daily time frame, we made a prediction that the market will keep growing, that quite soon this major falling trend line will be reached. And now we are on a 4-hour time frame, and here let's analyze the price action again. Here I want you to realize that currently the market is consolidating. Currently we are trading within this horizontal trading range, and at the moment the market is quite indecisive. So in order to buy gold wisely, I would look for a breakout trade. In my view, that structural resistance must be broken first before you buy. And then on a retest, you can look for long opportunities and buy gold, expecting a bullish continuation to that trend line. Moreover, remember that when the market is trading in sideways, when the market is consolidating, it can easily drop all the way down to the support of the range. In case if we see a bearish continuation to the support of the range, I will look for the buying opportunities from here. From here, I will look for the confirmation to buy, and from here I will buy gold, expecting a retest of the resistance of the range. So we have multiple options, but for now you can see that testing the resistance of the range, the best strategy for us is to wait. Yes, remember that patience is the key right here. So wait for the breakout of the range before you buy, or wait of the test of the support of the range before you buy. Alright traders, I hope that you enjoyed this video. For more education, for more tips, join my premium educational group, the link in the description below. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much, traders.